What is happening with you guys? Got it with another video. It's your boy Slappy Vatos again. I don't know if I should keep saying that or should just say regular slap. We're on our way to meet up with my other boys. Get ready to get to this car show. I hope everyone's having a good morning. And hope everyone's staying blessed. Hope everyone slept well. And well, we're gonna meet up with my boy Nystance and my boy Q. Yeah, this car's slow. I'll catch y'all out at the meetup spot. Alright, made it to the meetup spot. Got Nystance 5K here. Got my boy Jamar here. I ain't gonna lie, what y'all think about his mark? Shit clean. Let me see if I can get the lineup real quick. There we go. But yeah, bro. We're gonna wait for Q and I think some other people, and then gonna hit the road. So, all right, leaving out now for the meet. Don't mind that. Don't mind my car. It's making noises I already know. Made it to the spot.
My boy
Who?
the Honda, bro.
That's that AMG over there, bro.
AMG?
Mm-hmm. Damn, was that a Q? Q60? Yo. Yo. Ain't gonna lie, it's hot, gang. It's hot. Yo. Damn. Nah, this shit hard. Oh God, bro. Damn.
What's up, bro? The Miata neck first.
No.
Like that?
No. He's not doing the Miata like that, bro.
Oh, what the bro? This nigga got the sub and the seatbelt, man.
Bro, it's actually crazy, bro.
Hey, don't look at us. I just looked up right now.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna definitely go on the other side now. Since you said that, I'm gonna get your ass. Come on now. Ah no.
You feel me? A bit biting.
It is biting. He don't rev not.
He knows something.
He don't rev
He
nine.
knows something. With the Swifts on the top.
Oh shit. Bet you got a smaller screen. What? What?
So that's something I ain't tell you about.
Yo, this shit stick, bro. What? What? What is that? What? Come on. This shit hard. Look, there go hey, Grandpa right there already explaining it to him.
Mustang, they all have the same similar back end with the slope.
Yeah.
But when they came in, you look at the same.
Oh yeah.
Man, how
They
much?
took what Ford did is they took the 65 to 69 and they incorporated into the modern Mustang. So it has 4 years of worth of Mustangs in a new car. Oh, you gotta be a real Mustang guy to know all that. Because you can find little pieces of the car. Like if you ever see like a modern Mustang has the indented door, 65 is the original, actually 64 and a half. So anytime you see a door indented means it was from a 65.
Damn. That's G35?
I'm trying to tell about the Mustang. He's back here getting off on that motorbike.
Oh God.
That motor pedal bike.
He's back at it again.
Again.
He's back
Nah,
at it
to the
again.
front, that's no hot of your shit. Nah, fuck
he's
that.
back
He's
at
trying to
it.
hide shit under the
No,
bag.
fuck that.
You want about like 30,000.
I need something crazy, bro.
What you running
Like at
on
least
here,
20
bro?
bands, bro.
He said 20.
How much money I got into
Yeah, how
it?
much money you got to it?
Easily over 10. And the car's worth at least like 15, 20.
Take it done to it though.
That's full bolt on, long tube headers, E85. I've done it all.
Oh, so you beating everything, type
Damn.
How long, chat?
Okay.
How long, chat? Okay, yeah.
I hate this nigga said I hate seeing people with money. You is one of them, bro. So folks gonna want me to hit the drift. I'm gonna hit the drift. That was terrible. That was ass. That was so ass. Oh hell no. Well, we're gonna end the video off here. I gotta head to work, so I'm gonna catch y'all either in the next part, or I might just end the video here. I'm not sure, but like, comment, subscribe, and then I'll have the next part.
Come up on the side, you learn to improvise. Mental Rolodex, them numbers memorize. Every little move.